For the next few videos, I'm going to be discussing what iteration is and how we use while loops, do while loops, and for loops within our Java code in order to iterate through our code. Iteration just means we're going to run the same lines of code multiple times. So that means we only have to write it one time and we can make it run it multiple times if we need to. So the first one is a while loop. A while loop has a condition, just like how if statements had a condition. So this condition has to be something that is either true or false, and it goes within these parentheses. And then we have our opening and closing curly brace. Within our curly braces, we have the code that we want to iterate. So what's going to happen here is when Java gets to the while loop code, it's going to check this condition. If this condition is true, it's going to go into this code and it's going to run all the code that's in here. And then once it gets to the bottom, it's different than an if statement because an if statement would have just kept doing code afterwards. But with a while loop, when it gets to the bottom, it's actually going to jump back to the top of this while. It's going to check the condition again. If the condition is still true, then it's going to go into the curly braces, do the code again, and again, it's going to keep looping, checking the condition until it finally gets to here and this condition is no longer true. When this condition is no longer true, it'll just jump down here and keep doing code. So it won't run this code whenever this condition is false.